All right, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
There are various activities that I think are wasting my time. The one which is mostly I am spending my most of 3 to 4 hours a day is internet surfing. Whenever I am studying, I just leave after 1 hour spending my time on study. I start surfing social media and watching videos on YouTube and other social media apps. These activities are, I think, these activities are very mind relaxing and making my mind fresh. And after doing this, I can pay more attention to my study. But according to my perception, instead of paying more attention to these activities, I have to serve. My time on books reading, and so I can manage my studies gradually.
Okay, 1 minute and 2 seconds. So you're at the borderline. If it is less than a minute, you'll be penalized. Try to speak more than this. Initially, when you started, there were so many pauses like try to overcome that. You need to focus your fluency. You do have some grammatical mistakes, but that is not your main area. You can improve that. Try to use variety of words, connectivity of ideas, and fluency. These things will make huge difference. But the way you are speaking, at present, I'll give you 6 band with that. With a little improvement, you can easily make it 6.5. And try to speak as long as you are interrupted by the examiner in part 2. Always remember, when examiner says that's it, then you should finish it, okay? Thank you.